Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I will be working on this Sony TC-K690 right here. Looks nice. Owner says multiple issues, playback records. Let's take a look. Door still opens. Standard sandust heads. Looks clean. Let me see. Music. Define type 4. Place. Alright. No. So we have sign of life. So let's see if it's a Sony or this deck has much more to say. Let me do preliminary tests and I will show you the most interesting moments. See you in a moment. Alright everyone, I just checked the frequency and it shows 2975 levels, Dolby levels good, but frequency sweep shows that we have significant issue with the right channel. So that's where I would be looking into to understand what's going on. So you see I'm not sure what the frequency is. It's not showing properly for some reason. Shows 78 kilohertz. I'm not sure. So as soon as it goes to the high frequencies, right channel is declined. So that's the difference. That's what I'm observing. It's not connection. On the smaller frequencies, it works pretty fine. I'm not sure why oscilloscope looks like that. Alright, so you see how the lower frequencies levels now normalize it. As soon as we're going up, like just from 1 kilohertz, right channel is absent. So, alright, that's the point to take a look what's going on here. Let me see and I will update you. See you soon. Okay guys, currently it plays. The only thing I did, I washed the heads pretty well. I used isopropyl and spent some time to clean up all debris from the heads. And now it plays well on the all range. So I see 7, 6, 4 kilohertz. From 400 Hz to 15 kilohertz levels are good. And that's what I like to see. Right? If that's the only reason why owner had an issue, that would be a pretty so he would regret about it, because it's possible to do on your own. See, 14 kilohertz, 15 kilohertz, pretty nice, and goes down. Yeah, phase a little bit off, but so minor that it's nothing to talk about. Alright, now I will do recording test. Let me see. Remove my tape and install the tape for recording. Which one? Sample type 1. Alright. I don't see anything. My generator is connected. and it should show 5 volts. Let's do 2 volts, and let's do 400 gears. And oops, nothing. Here. Sorry. We have signal. Let's do a first test if we can record. We will be recording. Let me put, so it should be -5 decibel. That would be the 0 level. So you see, and it shows like not lead the segment. Okay, sounds good. Now let's record and let's see results. Oops, I'm not recording. It doesn't start recording. Oh, sorry. I thought about workouts. Switch a little bit. So this deck not fully power source, so you have to shut down. Still no access. It's too quick and do actions. Alright, so the record doesn't start, you see? It says in the play mode. Okay, let me open. Let me see why it don't turn on the record. Fix it and then let's go from there. See you soon. Alright guys, the first issue, technically the second issue, solved quite easily. So the root cause was this plastic pin which sits on top of the switch. It just pulled it in front and didn't allow switch to press gently on top, and it didn't work. See now, record, play, tape, source, tape, level the same, source, tape, source, tape. So 400 gears we recording. So the source tape, you see, recording phase is not very good technically. Let me make it smaller. Like let's go to -20. Alright, so on 400 gears it's more or less fine. Now let's see here. So let me set -20 even. And now here is a balance, because this spot is not precise, so I had to just balance on -20. So let's tape, source, tape, and now let's see 400 gears, 1 kilohertz. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, bias. Where is the bias? Here. Let's adjust. Alright. 10 kilohertz. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yeah. Normal, like all Sony's. Type 1, 17 kilohertz. Good. I don't like azimuth. I'm not sure like if you do. Alright, so everything is fine. We can adjust record level, bias, like everything work. Alright, so not much to repair. Really, it was quick and simple. There is bells. I need to check them. Let me stop the deck. Yeah, bells in a good shape. They are tight. They are stretchy. So, well, no, not much to do. All right. So That would be good news for owner. Everything fix it quickly and as cheap as possible. Thanks for your attention. See you soon. Bye bye. And here, guys, I'm recording on Sony Metal XR, and I like to show you a little bit different results. So I'm adjusted track level and bias. So see, everything is in almost at the middle. Alright, we're recording minus 20 decibel, and it's 1 kilohertz, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see? And azimuth is perfect on this tape. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And azimuth in place. Alright, so 21, 22, 23. It's become jumpy. 24. Alright, up to 22 kilohertz on metal tape. And that's Sony is famous for. So they work fine with chrome and metal tapes, but they don't much like the type 1 tapes. So alright, that would be it. I just chat with owner. He is happy. So this would be end of this video. Let me know your thoughts and bye bye. Well, guys, owner requested me to also test on type 2, so I will post it in this video. So I'm recording type 2 tape, 1 kilohertz, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the source tape. Let's go back. 1. Let me reduce level a little bit. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Adjusting bias a little bit so it would be even. On the needles, the same as on 1 kilohertz. And again, TDK, SA, and azimuth is off. I'm not sure why I don't like these tapes. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 19 kilohertz is a working frequency on this tape. Alright. So perfect little deck. And the heads, pinch rollers, everything looks nice. Alright, that would be it. Bye. Alright, and that would be not it. I remember that I also had to adjust frequency. And to do it, I had to pull and rotate tape transport because the transformer don't leave a room to get to this motor. And adjustments just on the back of this motor through the hole. And now it's placed around 3001 to 3010 gears. That is pretty fine for this deck. So, not sure. Bells work. Sounds, it's alright. No big deal. So yeah, it's just 3000, even 3005. So for me it sounds like 0.08, 0.09. Alright, so that's how this deck is. See you. Bye.
Get behind the sun and cast his ways. All I need's a place to find, and there I'll celebrate. All in all, the sun together.
Okay guys, now I will rewind a little bit and let's listen.
All I need's a place to find, and there I'll celebrate.
Okay, as you might hear, this deck now records and plays really fine. It was type 4 tape, which is the toughest to record. That's why I'm testing always on type 4. We'll make sure that we rise properly, we record properly. There was one more issue, okay, and I like to tell you about and show you. And the issue is with the grounding. In 600 series from Sony. I met it in 650 a couple times, it's 670, and now it's on 690. And issue is the same exactly. So over time, you start hearing a little bit in the pauses when you record. When you record, there are pause and like quiet place on the sound, not pause on the transport. You can hear a little bit clicks from the real motor. And that's due to the difference between 600 series and 800 series. In 800 series, we have additional wire which grounds the heads. We have additional wire which grounds the real motors, right? And this deck, and we also have a ground point on the board when it's screw connects it to the chassis. This deck, the only point where analog part connects with the chassis. Let me show you. I need to pull up the wires, so probably switch off the amp for that. Now let me pull up the wires and let me show you what's happening. This ground point is the screw which sits between connectors. And over time, I'm not sure, maybe it was original, but I met it on multiple decks. I can hear in the recording the different noises, right? And to eliminate this, you see I put an isolation spacer, and that solves the problem. That has been like multiple decks now, which records very, very quiet, okay? So I hope this will help you with your research. Specifically, I added music to this video, so this would be, I hope it wouldn't be banned on YouTube, but it will not be payable for me. But I believe this is important because this issue persists across multiple Sony decks. All right, as you can hear, this deck in particular good shape. The heads has a little bit wear, but they're still perfectly fine. It records to 22 kilohertz. And what's big surprise for me, comparing to 670 even, like 650, those are records only high frequencies. 670 a little bit better, but still pretty simple sounds. This 690 sounds really, really like fine. So it has bass area. I tested tapes I recorded on Pioneer and Sony in this deck, and those tapes sound nice. So I hear the bass, I hear the vocals, and it definitely sounds much better than 670 and 650. So it has a full range. 650 is very, very high frequency shifted decks. They play so many high frequencies, sometimes it's became annoying. All right. So hope this helps you with your choice, with your repairs. Technically, I don't take these decks into repair because the cost of the deck doesn't cover the cost of labor which we put there. So this was an exclusion for my customer who already serviced a couple decks, and he was insistent. But now you know how to fix this deck, so everything is very simple. All right, thanks for your time, and I hope to see you on my channel again, and bye-bye.